Okay, for who might suffer with downloading application or downloading image from China, this is for you. The first of all, I'm going to say that we have image that we need to download from the Google. Key it is goes gcr.io is the source of image that belongs to Google. If you are in China right now, maybe you are in college, in study or whatever, or maybe you are doing a business and then you want to install image or image from Google registry, you couldn't. Even you want to install ham or manifest the YAML file to execute the YAML file, you couldn't, because everything Google product is blocked. Even I'm trying to install a VPN, I'm trying to use a VPN to install my manifest, to install through the Helm, but I couldn't. So the only one solution that I can do is install from the manifest. So this is the file that I'm going to install, called Ingress NGINX. In Ingress NGINX, we have an image from the Google here, and then we need to replace the image from the Docker Hub, because Docker Hub you can install and you can download the image without any problem. This is one guy I found on hubdocker.com, and so he uploaded the image recently, so I will use his image. You can visit him in hub.docker.com/u/liangjw, and this is what you are going to do. As we know that the image that we are going to download is called Ingress NGINX controller, and then we have to replace this one key it is or Kubernetes gcr.io through the image from the Docker Hub. So what you're going to do, just click the name of the image. But for a while, it's not going to take any longer. It depends on your internet. Okay, after we click, now we are inside of the image. If you use Docker, you just Docker pull. This is the Docker pull command that you are going to use. But because we install the manifest, we need to only change the source of the image. So go to tags. This guy upload the image frequently, and then I'm going to use the latest one. Okay, let's use this one, 111, right? First of all, you are going to copy. Okay, let me this is the way how you use. Okay, copy, and then you delete this one, delete, you don't need it. Or you might put like my example here. You can put also docker.io, or without docker.io it's also okay. And then just put it, right? And you need to choose which one your environment. This guy provide for AMD, RMM, this and that, right? You can see, because I'm using Linux, I click this one. The digest number you just copy and then paste, and then your image is ready now. So just replace this image to your image, like, and then you image and you save the files, and then you execute in your Kubernetes cluster. If you have any question, just leave the comments. I hope you get my point. Thank you very much.